Hi, my name's Jim Rio at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, the #1 Chevy dealership in Illinois. I'm sitting in a new 2021 Tahoe Premier. This vehicle is beautiful. It's got everything in it that you can think of. And I'm just going over a couple things that I like to show my customers when I sell a vehicle, when I deliver the vehicle to them, point out some things. Now, in this case, what I'm going to show you would be something right up front, because with the new body style, the gear shift is completely different than what you're used to seeing in the Tahoes. I had a Tahoe for 18 years. Okay, if you look on the side, you don't have the gear shift right here. It's not something down here that you're reaching at. When you come in here, you'll look and you'll be thinking, how am I going to change the gears on it? As you can see right here, I got it in park. Right here, nice and bright. Okay, you got your reverse, neutral, drive, and your low gears. And it's very simple. If I want to put it in drive, all I do is I'll step on the brake so I don't go through the garage door, and I pull it up. And there I am, I'm in drive. Okay, if I want to put it in park, all three of these buttons you got to pull forward, but in park you just push it down and it will make some noise like that, and it lets you know that you're in park. It's cool. You know, it's all this new technology, but you know, you got to show it to people when they get in the car, because it's something different what you're used to seeing. If you happen to be in Frankfort, why don't you stop in and say hello? Ask for Jim Rio. Take care.